changing the AdBlue filter on a new generation DAF XF, XG or XG+. Start off by removing the plastic cover. It's 4 T45 bolts and it just comes away. There it is. Get a 46mm spanner or a socket and twist it off. Pull the housing off and pull the rubber cup off. Please wear gloves. AdBlue's not very good. Now this filter was really hard to get out for some reason. Some just fall out, some don't. It is just an O-ring. You will eventually get it by pulling. Once it's out, grease up that new one. Use the provided grease. Do not introduce any grease or oil to the AdBlue system. It should be AdBlue and AdBlue grease only. Fit the new rubber cup. Roll the threads on the filter housing and do it up. Put the plastic cover back on. Grease up your bolts and gun them in.